Today we will learn about the services of an operating system. An operating system is an essential part of every computer. It acts as a bridge between the user and the computer hardware, and it provides the several important services to make the system work efficiently. The first service is program execution. The OS loads the programs into memory and runs them. Next is I/O operations, which means handling input and output devices like keyboard, mouse, and printer. The OS also manages file system manipulation, helping us to create, delete, read, and write the files. Another key service is the communication, which allows the different processes or programs to exchange the information. It also performs error detection, identifying the problems like device failures or illegal memory access. Then we have resource allocation, where the OS serves CPU time, memory, and devices among the programs. Finally, protection, which ensures that data and resources are accessed safely and securely. These services together help the computer function smoothly and reliably. Thank you.